Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for you, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So today I have a Coach unboxing. I got this for Christmas and didn't get to unbox it for you formally. I did show it to you in my what I got for Christmas video, but I definitely had to do a separate unboxing video. So this is just the unboxing. I'm gonna do a review and what's in my bag later on, but I just wanted to do the unboxing for you guys. I haven't done one in a while, so I'm excited. First unboxing of one of my luxury bags for you guys of 2023. So of course, I ordered from the Coach outlet, and this is the box that it comes in. It's a plain box, which is really, really good because then nobody has to know what's in the box. Because you know how scammers be trying to scam on people in these days and times. So inside the box, look at that. Coach, it comes with this bag that says Coach. And inside the bag is this that's protecting the bag. And guess what bag I got? This is the Coach Zip Top Tote in chalk, I believe the color is. It is so pretty. I needed a bag this color because I don't have any bags this color. I think I have one or two that's smaller, but I needed a tote. So I'm almost done like with my bag collection in terms of colors for now, because we never know what might come out later. But yeah, this is it. I like the way it's just a clean look, and no pockets on the outside or anything like that. And the Coach logo is here in gold, and then the tag is hanging right here, and a gold zipper here. Let me take off the wrapping. I'm finally gonna take it off, which means I finally get to wear it. This has been in the box since Christmas, a little before Christmas time. Let me take this wrapping off. Okay, so these are the straps. The straps are very thin, and I believe this is pebbled leather, so it'll be easy to clean off. So even though it's white, it won't get dirty too fast because I think the pebbled leather is kind of easier to clean off. Here's the Coach tag right here. I will put in the description how much it was. I don't remember, because Christmas seems so far, like it was so far away. It was like 2.5 weeks ago. So the zipper is here, it's covered with this, and it's all gold hardware, and this says Coach right here. And I took the tags off, and then let's open it up. Inside of here, it's just all the stuffing that they want to put to keep your bag in shape. I usually keep stuffing in my bag when I'm not using it, so I'm gonna hold on to this so that my bag stays and keeps its shape. I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing it just yet. I might start to wear it in the spring. I don't know. We'll see. It depends on what outfit I'm wearing. If I might need a white tote, then I'll wear it. So inside it has one compartment here, and the care cards and everything like that right there. And on that compartment is just the Coach patch right here. And then on the other side is just 2 compartments just for your cell phone, like that. And that's it. Inside, let me see, does it say? No, some Coach bags, sometimes on the inner lining it says Coach. There is no inner lining. I don't think I need a bag organizer for this. I'm not sure yet. I will, when I do the review, I'll let you know if I get a bag organizer. So it just has a zipper on the top, which is good for people who don't like to have their bag open. They can have this zipper on the top. And what's good about this bag too is you see how it's wide at the bottom, right? And then as it comes to the top, it's wide here, and then it gradually closes up. So it's like it'll hold a good amount of stuff in it, but it's not like bulky, and it's easier for you to carry it under your arm. Let me show you how it looks. I'm 5'3" for reference, so it's on my shoulder now, and it's coming up to my hip right here, and it's just an easy bag to carry. It's a little bit smaller than the city tote. I don't have any of my city totes out right now. I put them away in the closet. I haven't been using my city tote. I've been using this bag a lot. This bag has been my best friend. This is the Coach chain. I think it's called the chain, the signature chain tote, because this is the chain with the seat on it, and I love this bag. I did a review on it, so I'll link it in the cards or the description. It is soft leather, and I prefer soft leather over pebbled leather any day, but this is the one I've been carrying. So you see how it's wide on the bottom, and it stays that width up as it goes to the top, which is good because if you need a tote where you need to get in and grab things, this serves its purpose. And I have a bag organizer inside. So I'm not too sure that this bag will need it, because again, this is a tote, but it's smaller, more sleek, more, you know, less bulky, you know? So it's like a tote, but I feel like you can be more stylish with it, whereas with totes, it's just like you wear it to work, you wear it to where you need to carry a lot of things. And this one is like that in-between bag. This one is similar to the gallery tote. The gallery tote is a little bit bigger than this one, and the gallery tote has a zippered pocket in the front. I know because last year for Christmas, I bought the gallery tote for my sister, and I bought the Zip Top Tote for my mom. So my mom has this one in black, and now I have it in white, so we can be twins. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna really enjoy this bag, especially for the spring and for the summer, because it's white and it's so nice and sleek, which is what I was looking for. You guys know, in terms of my wardrobe, I've been trying to tone things down a lot. I like patterns and prints, as you can see. I just did a video shoot for this brand, this company, and it should be up. If it's not up by now, I'll link it. But I did a day in my life of a content creator. I love fashion, and I love helping other brands promote their products and services. So yeah, so this is the Zip Top Tote, and you can get a discount on this if you sign up for Rakuten. If you sign up for Rakuten using my referral code, you will get $30 and I'll get $30 when you make your first purchase. A lot of people that I gave the code to, they signed up, but they never made a purchase, and Rakuten keeps sending me messages saying, remind your people who you told to sign up to make a purchase, because neither one of us gets $30 if you don't make a purchase. So Rakuten is an online like website where you sign up, and they have discounts in conjunction with so many stores that you most likely already shop at, like Target, like Macy's, like Coach, like Microsoft, things like that. Like whenever you sign up for it, go on Rakuten, and then from there you go make your purchases, and it'll keep a running track of where you've been spending. And every time you purchase, you will get rebates, cash back on the purchases that you make. And so sometimes the Coach outlet has 10% cash back when you sign up for Rakuten and make your purchase through Rakuten. And let's say if it was $100, then you're gonna get, because I think I got 10% back on this bag. So you will save money, especially when you're trying to buy your luxury items like Coach. I know Coach is like the lower end of the luxury spectrum, but it's still nice. I love Coach. I love their prices. I love the quality of their bags. I will purchase and support Coach for as long as I can, I guess. I love Coach. They've been really coming out with some nice designs. So yeah, so I will do a follow-up to this bag. I'm gonna do a what's in my bag, and I'm gonna do a review because I haven't worn it yet. It's still brand new. So if you guys have this bag, let me know how you like it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. I have a whole playlist on designer bags, Coach bags that I own in my collection. Follow me on Instagram at Kharyzma for You Style, where I show fashion. I do fashion reels. I show you fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. Also follow my Instagram for my cosmetics, Kharyzma for You Fashion, where I show you lip gloss and all those other goodies. Check out my website. My website is relaunching February the 2nd. Here's one of my favorite lip glosses. This one is Pink Strawberry, which is a favorite of so many of my customers. It's pink and it smells like strawberries. It smells so good. You guys who know, you know, and thank you for those who support. So thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next video.